what's up guys, it's my Hyper Giga and well, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Nerf items. Two items you can get it for free. So this video can be laggy because um I'm actually far away from my router. So the first thing you want to do is just in the mobile app, just click on these three dots in here, and if you're on laptop or computer, it will show their Nerf. So just click on it and you will click on events and it should show you Nerf. Say you want to click this Nerf thing also on the computer, you have to click it. So this will show up all the items like these. If you have one of these guns, if you have bought them, I think these are not really in stock for now. They will be coming in stock. So if you have one, just click on in the redeem code. You will just use your toy code and you will get an item, which is very good. So also I think Adobe Me is giving the Bee Blaster if you use it, and I don't know if other games are giving those, but I know Match City will give you the Plasma Ray, but I don't know Jailbreak will actually give, but I don't know. So we are here for getting the free items because those items actually are you actually have to use real money to buy them, or just get your friend's code. So the first thing you want to do is click on the enter hub there, or just click on the enter hub there, or just click on one of these thing, and then you should be like showing this Nerf hub, and these should show you. So let's just play. Also this game is actually very laggy. So okay, please don't tell me this is a copyrighted song. No, I'm doing that because I think that was copyrighted. I don't know, but here are the these things. And so the first thing you want to do is just jump in the game and just come to the claw machine for the dart cap, and there was a message. I hate it. So click on this claw machine and you will just use this claw machine to just get one of these, and you will just do this and you will get it. Yes, you will get it. Just click on prize awarded and it should give you the badge. Yes, there it is. Also, I haven't even used a claw machine in real life, so I don't know how does that feel if you play on real life. So that was easy. So the next thing you want to do is just come over here, and well, my graphics is down, is 0, so it's not lagging that much. Just come here, click on practice range, then you wanna select any of the blasters. So I think I'm a fan of Adopt Me and Armory. I mean Jailbreak. Also I like the Pulse Laser. I will just use the Jailbreak one. Just click on select. It will just show you hit all targets, and you just gotta click on the all targets. Wait, Wait, do you actually need to click on all of these? Because if it's actually real, then it's actually never gonna stop, dude. Dude, I'm not even kidding. Dude, I'm not even kidding, dude. This can be actually correct that you have to shoot all of them. So I got 25 score, and well, I got the dark glasses. I don't know what's the maximum score for getting the thing, but when I watched Sharkblock's video, um when I watched Sharkblock's video, he got 10 plus more, like 10 points more. Shout out to Sharkblocks for because he is the actually YouTuber that literally just uploads very fast event like things. So if you want to try them again, all the these things, you can just try them. So I will be just trying the bee blaster again. This is so easy with the bee blaster. Kinda hard, not gonna lie. On mobile, it's just very hard. It's just so hard. It's just so hard, dude. That like I'm gonna actually I don't think so. I'm going to be getting more score than the well, I think the jailbreak armory is not good that like in if you want to score points, because it showed that it has only one ammo. That means you have to reload after one ammo. I don't know if that's the same thing in real life, but the bee blaster, which is actually good. Yep, the bee blaster is good, and there are the portals. I think they will just lead you to the games, and well, that's it. I mean, no, not that. Also, if you get them, you will actually collect them. So let's just go to the avatar page and just see if we got the items. So on the avatar page, and why is my there we go. So let's just click on customize and click on clothing, and there it is. There it is, the nerf hat. There it is. Dude, it's so cool. Wait a second. Wait, I just realized that Roblox just remodeled and a cap and just kept just some of these nerf bullets. What the heck? What the heck are you doing, Roblox? What the heck? So you will also get then face accessories like this. This is actually cool. This actually also gives you the any Volk pattern, like some of the Volk has like this. And well, I like the glasses more than the hat. Well, it's kind of cool to see these types of events coming to Roblox now. Also, there was also another Roblox event, but I wasn't on Roblox that time. So that's it. You guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and follow me on Roblox to join me in games when I'm playing, like that time. Also message me some of your video ideas, because I will be choosing you guys video ideas. Also you anyone can message me, so So if you want to message and if you're not my friend, so you can do it. So peace out.